lying in bed the other night, about 11:15, quietly dozing off, and my cousin decides to message me and say, "Did you ever get that coffee pot?" Yes, Mark, I got the coffee pot. So I thought I'd make a video now to show him my new coffee pot, and hopefully then he won't wake me up at 11:15 to ask if I've actually made a cup of coffee on it. So here we go. So I've got the Cali kettle out with the Hobo stove, and I'm just about to get that fired up. You just see me cut some wood ready. I've got the fire steel and some char cloth, and we'll get it fire lit and see if we can make a cup of coffee. Time to put the coffee on. Hopefully in a few minutes time we'll have a nice pot of coffee. I'm hoping when Mark sees this he'll do me a video and show me him making coffee with his new coffee pot. There's a challenge for you. There you go, already put some milk in the cup, pour my coffee in. There you go, perfect coffee, cooked on the hobo fire. Cheers.